Assalamu alaikum class. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. Today we are going to have our third lecture, Primary Mathematics second edition for grade 2.
Okay class, before starting our lesson, I want to tell you about comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. Okay? Comparing numbers means finding out whether one number is greater than or less than or equal to the other numbers. Okay? We use these three signs to compare numbers. Okay? We use these three signs to compare numbers. Greater than, less than or smaller than, equal to or same as. Okay, compare each place value from the leftmost digit. Okay, from leftmost of digit. Okay class, things to remember while comparing two-digit numbers. First we compare the numbers on tens place. Okay, first we compare the numbers on tens place. The number with more tens are the greater number. Okay, the numbers with more tens are the greater number. And if the number on tens place are same or equal to, we compare the number on ones place. Okay, we compare the numbers on ones place. Then the number with more ones, are the greater number. Okay, are the greater number. Compare two-digit numbers. Okay, let's compare two-digit numbers. Here you can see there are two sets of numbers. Ones, tens. 3 is in the place of ones, 6 is in the place of tens, and ones and tens. 2 is in the place of ones, 8 is in the place of tens. Okay. First we compare the number on tens place. Okay, on tens place. The number with more tens are the greater number. The number with more tens are the greater number. Second set have 8 digit. Okay, second set have 8 digit on tens place. That means 8 is greater. Okay, 63 is less than 63 is less than 82. Okay, because 6 is less than 8. As I said, first we compare the number on tens place. Okay, and the tens place. 10 place are the greater number. Okay, the number with more tens are the greater number. 63 is less than or smaller than 82. 63 is smaller or less than 82. Now we have other two sets, 63 and 62. 3 is in the place of ones, 6 is in the place of tens, 2 is in the place of ones, 6 is in the place of tens. If the number on tens place are same, okay, 6 equal to 6 are the same, we compare the numbers on ones. Okay, the number with more ones are the greater number. Okay, the number with more ones are the greater number. 3 and 2. Okay, 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. That means 63 is greater than 62. 63 is greater than 62. Okay. Okay class, while comparing three-digit numbers, first we compare the number on hundreds place. Then the number with more hundreds are the greater number. Okay, the number with more hundreds are the greater number. If the number on hundreds place are same or equal to, we compare the number on tens place. Okay, we compare the numbers on tens place. Then the number with more tens are the greater number. Okay, the number with more tens are the greater number. And if the number on hundreds and tens place are same or equal to, for example, 420, 420. Okay, we compare the number on ones place. Then we compare the numbers on ones place. The number with more ones are the greater number. Okay, the numbers with more ones are the greater numbers. Okay class, let's compare 3-digit numbers. Let's compare 3-digit numbers. You can see ones, tens and hundred. There are 3-digit numbers, okay? 263 and 829. Two sets of numbers, okay? First we compare the number on hundreds place. First we compare the number on hundreds place, okay? The number with more hundreds, are the greater number. Then we can say 8 is greater than 2. Okay, 8 is greater than 2. And 2 is smaller than or less than 8. Okay, 263 smaller than 829. 263 smaller than or less than 829. And you can see there are two other sets. Okay, there are two other sets. If the number on hundreds place are same, you can see 8 is in the place of 100 and other set have also 8 is in the place of hundreds. Okay, we compare the number on tens place. Then we compare on the numbers of tens place. Okay, 6 is in the place of tens, 2 is in the place of tens. Okay, the number with more tens are the greater number. Okay, the number with more tens are the greater number. Then we can say 6 is greater than 2. Okay, 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. We can also say is that 863 greater than 829. Okay, 863 greater than 829. Okay. Okay class, we have other set of numbers. We have other set of number 863, 869. Okay. If the number on hundreds and tens place are same. Okay. If the number on hundreds are same and tens are same, we compare the number on ones. We compare the numbers on ones. You can see there are 800, 800. Okay, and 6 is in the place of 10, 6 is in the place of tens. So there are same numbers of hundreds place and tens place. Okay. Then then we compare the number on ones place. Okay, then we compare the numbers on ones place. The number with more ones are the greater number. Okay, the number with more ones are the greater numbers. We can say 9 is greater than 3 and 3 is smaller than 9. Okay, 3 is smaller or less than 9. The sign we are using smaller than. Okay, smaller than. 863 smaller than 869. 863 smaller than or less than 869. Okay class, now you can see the example of same numbers. Okay, 5 is in the place of hundreds, 8 is in the place of tens, 7 is in the place of ones. Okay, so 587 equal to or same as 587. 587 is equal to or same as 587. Okay, we use this sign for equal to. Okay, this sign for equal to. Okay class, we are starting our lesson 3, comparing and ordering numbers. Comparing and ordering numbers. Recap, compare 16, 38 and 38, 34. Okay. As you know, while comparing two-digit numbers, first we compare the number on tens place. First we compare the number on tens place. The number with more tens are the greater number. Okay, the number with more tens are the greater number. Okay, it means 16 is smaller than 38. 16 is smaller than 38 because 1 is smaller than 3. Okay, 1 is smaller than 3. 16 equal to 1 tens, 6 ones, and 38 equal to 3 tens, 8 ones. It means 1 is smaller than 3. 16 is smaller than 38. We compare 38 and 34. We compare 38 and 34. If the number on tens place are the same, like 3 tens and 3 tens, okay, 3 tens and 3 tens. We compare the number on the ones place, okay. We compare the numbers on ones place. The number with more ones are the greater number. 8 is greater than 4, okay. 8 is greater than 4. It means 38 is greater than 34. 38 is greater than 34, okay. Moving toward 10, 110 is smaller than 3 tens. 16 is the smallest. As I said, 16 is smaller than 38. Okay, 16 is the smallest. Then 38 and 34. Okay, compare 38 and 34. 8 ones is greater than 4 ones. Okay, 8 ones is greater than 4 ones. 38 is greater than 34. As I said, 38 is greater than 34. 38 is greater than 34. 38 is the greatest. Okay, 38 is the greatest. 16 is the smallest and 38 is the greatest. Okay. Arrange the numbers in order. Arrange the numbers in order. Start with the greatest. Start with the greatest. When we start with the greatest, that means descending order. Okay, that means descending order. These numbers arrange in descending order. Okay, as you know, 38 is the greatest, 34 is the greater, and 16 is the smallest. Okay, moving toward the next page, page number 10. In focus, there are two shops, shop A and shop B. In shop A, there are 3 boxes of razor. There are 3 boxes of razor and each box contain 100 razors. Okay, each box contain 100 razors and one small box and contain 10 razors. Okay, in one small box there are 10 razors. Okay, and there are single razors. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 single razors. Okay, 300 plus 10 plus 6 equal to 316 razors. Okay, in shop A. In shop B, you can see there are 2 boxes of razors and each box contain 100 razors, and there are 3 boxes of razors, small boxes of razors, and each box contain 10 razors, and there are single razors. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 8 single razors. 200 plus 30 plus 8 equal to 238 equal to 238. Okay, 238 razors in shop B. Which shop has more razors? How do you know? Okay class, as you know that first of all we see the hundreds place, the number on the hundreds place. Okay, 3 is greater than 2. Okay, 3 is greater than 2 or 3 is more than 2. So can you please tell me, shop A has more razors, shop B has more razors? Yes, shop A has more razors. We have to write shop A. Okay, we have to write shop A because shop A has more razors than shop B. Moving toward question number 1. Which number is greater? 316 or 238? In shop A there are 316 razors and in shop B there are 238 razors. Okay, 8 is in the place of ones, 3 is in the place of tens, 2 is in the place of hundreds. Okay, 6 is in the place of ones, 1 is in the place of tens, 3 is in the place of hundreds. Okay, 300 is greater than 2. 300 is greater than 2. Okay, 316 is greater than 238. Shop A has more razors than shop B. Okay, shop A has more razors than shop B. This sign we use for the greater. Okay, this sign means is greater than, okay, or more than. Shop A has more razors. Shop A has more razors. Okay, sorry. We can also write it as 316 is greater than 238. Shop A has more razors than shop B. Okay, moving toward the next page, page number 11. Here is a question, question number 2. Which number is smaller? Which number is smaller? 835 or 826? 835 or 826. There are 8 bars of hundreds and 3 rows of tens and 5 small boxes of ones. It shows hundreds, it shows tens, and it shows ones. Okay, 5 is in the place of ones, 3 is in the place of tens, and 8 is in the place of hundreds. In other box, there are 8 bars of hundreds, 8 bars of hundreds, and 2 rows of tens, and 6 small boxes of ones. 6 ones, 2 tens, 8 hundreds. Okay, 826. 826. In one box, there are 835 razors, and in other shop or box, there are 826 razors. Okay, as you know, the digit in the hundreds place are the same. Okay, 100 and 800, and 800 and 800. Okay, when we have the same number on hundreds place, then we compare the digit in the tens place. Okay, then we compare the digit in the tens place. Okay, 3 tens, 2 tens. Which number is smaller or which number is greater? 2 is smaller than 3 and 3 is greater than 2. Okay, thus we can say 835 is greater than 826. But the question is, which number is smaller? 826 is smaller than 835. Okay, 835. 2 tens is smaller than 3 tens. Okay, 3 tens is greater than 2 tens, and 2 tens is smaller than 3 tens. Okay. 826 is smaller than 835. Okay, class. This sign, okay, this sign means is smaller than, okay, is smaller than or less than. There is another question. Do you know how to compare 472 and 479? Okay. Do you know how to compare 472 and 479? Which is greater? Okay, class, which is greater? As I said, first of all, we compare the number on hundreds place. Okay, we compare the numbers on hundreds place. If the number on hundreds place are same, we compare the numbers on tens place. We compare the numbers on tens place. And if the number on tens place are same, then we compare the number on ones place. Okay, then we compare the numbers on ones place. You can see 9 is in the place of ones and 2 is in the place of ones. 2 ones is smaller than 9 ones. Okay, 2 ones is smaller than 9 ones. Then 479 is greater than 472. Okay, the answer is 479 is greater than 472. Page number 12, there is a question. Question number 3. Arrange 325, 235 and 253 in orders. Start with the smallest. Start with the smallest means ascending order. Okay, class, ascending order. We can arrange these numbers in ascending order. 325, 235 and 253. First of all, we compare the number on hundreds place. Okay, class, we compare the numbers on hundreds place. 300, 200 and 200 on the places of hundreds. Okay, 300 is greater than 200. Okay, 300 is greater than 200. Then 325 is the greatest. Okay, 325 is the greatest. We write 325 is the greatest. Okay, now compare 235 with 253. Okay, 200, when the numbers on hundreds place are the same, then we compare the numbers on tens. Okay, then we compare the numbers on tens. 3 and 5 is in the place of tens. 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 5. Okay. 3 is smaller than 5. 3 tens is smaller than 5 tens. Okay. We write 235 is smaller than 253. Okay. 235 is the smallest. Okay. 235 is the smallest. We write 235 is the smallest. Okay. Now we are using signs. We write it as 235 less than 253 less than 325. Okay, smallest to greatest. 235 is less than or smaller than 253 and 253 is smallest or smaller than 325. 235 is the smallest than 325 and 325 is the greatest than 235. Okay, class? Okay, class, it's our activity time. I want to tell you about smallest, greater and greatest in this activity. Okay, we are playing game with 3 teams. You can see team A, team B and team C. Team A has 751 number, team B has 863 number and team C has 932 number. Okay, the team with the greatest number wins the game. Okay, the team with the greatest number wins the game. While comparing three-digit number, okay class, while comparing three-digit numbers, first we compare the number on hundreds place, okay, hundred place. You can see 7 is in the hundred place and team B has 8 is in the place of hundreds and 9 is in the place of hundred in team C. Okay, 7 is smaller than 8. 700 is smaller than 8. Okay class, and 8 is also smaller than 9. Then can you please tell me which number is greatest? Okay, 751 is the smallest. 751 is the smallest. Okay, 751 is the smallest. Team A has smallest number. Okay, and team B has the smaller number than team C. Okay, team A has smallest number than team B and team C, and team B has smaller number than team C. Okay, can you please tell me which team with the greatest number? Yes, team C has the greatest number because team C has 932. 932 is the greatest number. Okay, so team C wins the match or wins the game. Okay. On page number 13, practice. Here is a question. Compare the numbers. Compare the numbers. Part A. In part A, you can see in one box there are 7 rows of tens. 7 rows of tens means 70 and plus single small boxes of 8. Okay. 8 is in the place of 1, 7 is in the place of tens. And in other box, there are 8 rows of tens. 8 rows of tens equal to 80 and there are 7 single small boxes of ones. Okay, 7 is in the place of ones, 8 is in the place of tens. Okay, when we compare two-digit numbers, okay, when we compare two-digit numbers, first we compare the number on tens. Okay, first we compare the numbers on tens. The number with more tens, the number with more tens are the greater number. Okay, 8 is greater than 7 because 8 is more than 7. Okay, and 77 is smaller than 8. We have to write 78 in this blank is smaller than 87. Okay, 78 is smaller than 87. Part B, 325, 325 and 235. Okay, 235. As you know, first we compare, while comparing three-digit numbers, okay, while comparing three-digit numbers, first we compare the number on hundreds place. First we compare on the hundreds place, okay. 5 is in the place of ones, 3 is in the place of tens, 2 is in the place of hundreds. 5 is in the place of ones, 2 is in the place of tens, and 3 is in the place of hundreds. Okay, 3 is greater than 2. Okay, 3 is greater than 2. 300 is greater than 200. Thus, 325 is greater than 235. Okay, greater than. We also use this sign for greater than. 325 is greater than 235. Okay. Moving toward the next question. 2. Arrange the numbers in order. Arrange the number in orders. Okay. Smallest to greatest class. Smallest to greatest means, what means? Yes, ascending order. Okay, ascending order. The part A is 74, 47 and 77. Okay. Which number is smallest? Okay, which number is smallest? 47. Okay, 47 is the smallest. When first of all, when we compare two numbers, two-digit numbers, first we compare the number on tens place. Okay, class, on tens place. You can see 7, 4 and 7. Okay. Which is the smallest? 7 or 4? Yes, 4 is the smallest. Even if 4 is the smallest than 7. Okay, 47. 47 is the smallest. 74 is the smaller than 77, and 77 is the greatest. Okay, 47 is the smallest than 77, and 74 is the smaller than 77, and 77 is the greatest than 47. Okay, part B part, 128, 124 and 182. Arrange these number in ascending order. Okay, smallest to greatest. Okay, first of all, class, while comparing three-digit numbers, first we compare the numbers on hundreds place. Okay, hundreds place. If the number on hundred place are same, we compare the numbers on tens place. Okay, on tens place. And if the number on tenth place are the same, then we compare the numbers on ones place. Okay, class, ones place. 4 is smaller than 8. Okay, 4 is smaller than 8. 124 is the smallest. Okay, 124 is the smallest. We have to write 124. Okay, in first blank we have to write 124. Okay, then we compare 128 and 182. Okay, 100 and 100. On the hundreds place, the digit are the same. Okay, the digits are the same. And on the tens place, the digit 2 is in the place of tens and 8 is in the place of tens. 8 is greater than 2 and 2 is smaller than 8. 2 tens is smaller than 2 eights, 8 tens, sorry. Okay. Then we write 128 and 182. 182 is the greatest. Okay, class, 182 is the greatest. 124 is smallest than 128 and 182. And 128 is smaller than 182. And 182 is the greatest than 124. Okay. Moving toward question number 3, filling the blanks with less than or greater than. Okay, this sign is less than and this sign is greater than. Okay, smaller than and greater than. Okay, S for smaller and G for greater. A part, 35-24. 35-24. 35 is greater than 24. Okay, use this sign. Okay, 35 is greater than 24. And B part, 58-77. Okay, while we comparing two digits, first we compare the number on tens please. Okay, 5 and 7. 5 is smaller than 7. Thus, 58 is smaller than 77. We use this sign for smaller. Okay, class. C part, 145-300. While comparing three-digit numbers, first we compare the number on hundreds place. 100 and 300. Okay. 1 is in the place of 100 and 3 is in the place of 100. 1 is smaller than 300. Thus, 145 is smaller than 300. Okay. 145 is smaller than 300. On part D, 727-430. While comparing three-digit numbers, first we compare the numbers on hundreds place. 7 is in the place of 100 and 4 is in the place of 100. 7 is greater than 4. Okay. Thus, 727 is greater than 413. Okay. This sign we used for greater than. Okay. On D part, 214-224. Okay, as I said, when we compare 3-digit numbers, we compare, first of all, we compare the hundreds place. Okay, we compare on the hundreds place. And we when if the number on 100 place are the same, okay class, then we compare on tens place. Okay, 10 place. 1 tens is smaller than 2 tens. Okay class, 1 tens smaller than 2 tens. 214 smallest or less than 224. We use this sign for smallest. Okay, as I said, this sign is used for smallest. D 546 dash 553 532. 546 dash 532. Okay class, we comparing 3-digit numbers. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, ones, tens and hundreds. If the number on tens place are the same, then we compare on the numbers of tens. Okay, 4 tens and 3 tens. Okay, 4 tens is greater than 3 tens. 546 is greater than 532. 546 is greater than 532. Okay class, this sign is used for greater than. Okay, this sign is used for greater than. Okay, we complete our lesson 3. I hope you understand this chapter and you can learn it by heart. And remember me in your prayers class, and Allah Hafiz.